I also wanted to ask you too, like, do you have any like client experiences that maybe you could share about maybe some wins that previous clients have had, or anything else that might be maybe inspiring or motivating for other people out there to hear?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I mean, over the years, I've definitely had a number of people that I've worked with who have gotten back together and also married their ex, had a child with them. I've got one in particular that I'm thinking of. I'll call her Deborah, just to for anonymity purposes. But she was found me after going through a breakup, and she was really anxious about the entire experience. She was approaching an age where she was really wanting to have a family, and that window felt like it was closing. So there was a lot of anxiety around that, and that anxiety was causing a certain level of reactivity to happen in all of her actions. And so there was a desperation, a begging, an obsession that was occurring in how she was trying to pursue getting back together with this guy. And a lot of our work from an attachment lens was actually helping her come into this deeper, secure place of confidence and balance within herself, and to develop a more empowered relationship with the unknown as she uh, stepped forward into possibly reconciling with this man. And it actually took a couple months. It took several months. And part of the work that we did was helping her detach from the outcome, which was really big. Really look within and do some of the deeper work to help her come into a more trusting relationship with life, and more of a perspective that everything that is happening to her in her life is actually happening for her, right? That there's gems, and there are insights, and there's ways in which all of the experience are going to grow her. And the details of that, there's a lot of details of how we would do that in a coaching relationship. But ultimately, her way of being before we started working together was she was anxious, she was losing sleep, she was in a spot where she was in desperation, she was in a one down position to this guy, really blaming herself, stuck in this place where she was blaming herself, and then she would switch and start blaming him, and kind of caught in this drama triangle, so to speak, where she was looking for the relationship, getting back together to rescue her from herself. And through the work, we helped her develop a deeper foundation of trust within herself, of confidence, of operating outside of urgency and from a place of patience, and then really learning how to show up and communicate from a place of value, communicate from a place of offering invitations, communicate from a place of really taking responsibility and being patient and being open and being authentic. And what ended up happening is they slowly but surely developed a new foundation. Rightfully slow. It took a little bit of time because, nobody wants to go through heartbreak again, right? And it's very
Sure, yeah.
important to take your time on these things and not to rush back into it, because, you really want to stay connected to yourself if you're building a new relationship, and not try to escape into the illusion of this person choosing you again as being ultimate security. It's not. It could very well end again if you're rushing. The security has to be found within yourself, and that was the work. And they ultimately ended up getting back together. They got married. They have a kid now, and now the things that I'm coaching her on are trying to figure out how to transition her identity out of this kind of corporate career that she was in into some of what she's taking on for the season of life as being a mother. And where are they going to live, and how is that going to interact with the politics of their family? So it's just been a really beautiful journey to watch that unfold. I've been with her every step of the way.